Angela Brown Burke admits fault but defends action. Mace drama deepens. She admits she broke the rules, but says the real issue is far bigger. So was Angela Brown Burke wrong, or was she making a point Jamaica can't ignore? This is Michy commentary, where we bring truth, context, and Caribbean voices that don't bow to pressure. Like, share, and subscribe. But listen to this. Following Tuesday's explosive moment in Parliament, opposition MP Angela Brown Burke has now spoken, and her statement is turning heads. She started by accepting responsibility. My actions did not accord with acceptable parliamentary procedure. She made it clear what she did was not in line with parliamentary rules, and she acknowledged that the House acted within its standing orders.
I start by accepting that my actions on Tuesday did not accord with acceptable parliamentary procedure. I also acknowledge under the circumstances that the decision of the House is in keeping with the standing orders.
But then, she shifted the focus. She explained that her actions came during a heated debate on critical legislation, where she and others were trying to be heard. Our attempts to be heard, context matters. And that's the key word she used, context. Because according to Brown Burke, while rules must be upheld, the situation surrounding the moment cannot be ignored. Then she dropped the bigger concern. She warned that she does not want the Mace incident to distract from the real issue. Allegations of serious corruption involving massive sums of public money that must be handled with care. So now the debate shifts again. Was this simply a breach of rules? Or was it a protest born out of frustration in a system where voices feel unheard? And on the other side, did Speaker Juliet Holness respond appropriately to protect the integrity of the House? Or did the situation escalate unnecessarily? One thing is certain. Angela Brown Burke has admitted fault, but she's also made it clear the real story goes far beyond the Mace. And remember, family, watching the ads helps support the channel and allows me to keep bringing you more content. Walk good, Jamaica.